Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. The larger of the two integers is 6 by 5 times the smaller. If thrice the smaller is subtracted from 3 times the larger, the difference is 12. Find the larger integer. Let larger integer be x. Therefore, smaller will be equal to 5x by 6 given. Now, according to given condition, 3 times the smaller is subtracted from 3 times the larger. Therefore, 3x minus 3 into 5x by 6, then the difference is 12 is equal to 12. So, 3x minus 3 and 6 cancel out. So, this is 5x by 2 equal to 12. So, we get 6x minus 5x by 2 equal to 12. So, we get x equal to 24. So answer is option A, 24.